Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up the NFC Reader Plus and verifying firmware. This matters because updates fix compatibility and stability. Next, enable NFC and grant the companion app required permissions so the hardware can communicate. Open the app and pick read mode. Choose the right protocol, ISO 14443 or ISO 15693, so the reader interprets tags correctly. Once done, hold the tag near the reader's center LED. Tap lightly until the app confirms connection. You'll hear a short beep and see status change to connected. With the reader connected, choose exactly what you want. Read an ID, dump memory sectors, or write an NDEF record. Configure power and antenna settings to balance range versus interference. Higher power reads farther but may cause collisions. If you're writing, set the proper key or password and enable Write Protect where needed. For bulk tasks, switch to batch or continuous scanning, then label each record and app. When finished, export logs as CSV for analysis. Make sure to save config profiles to reuse later. To finish, always validate operations by rereading the tag and confirming UID, checksums, or NDEF payloads. This prevents silent write errors. If something fails, first retry the operation, then reset the reader and reconnect the app. Reload firmware only if issues persist. Test with a known good tag to isolate hardware from media problems. Common causes include incorrect protocol selection, insufficient power, or a locked tag. When you see an error code, match it to the app's diagnosis and follow the suggested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.